Hi, I'm Jessica Pidou and I'm going to present to you today what is infrastructural power. This is one of the main results of the DG Power investigation. You can find the results in this technical report we published here in Zenodo, and I'm going to present to you now the main levers of this infrastructural power. To have this power means that a company has a technical capability, which is developing technologies and an expertise that allows you to process data in a very efficient way. It also means that a company has an organizational capability, which gives the power to organize the relationship between different stakeholders, between different users, or between different companies as well, how they share data, for instance. Also, it means that a company has the power to acquire knowledge about a user at the individual level. So we know how a person is behaving in a specific app, but also in a specific public space offline. As you know, offline behavior is also tracked, for instance, through connected objects, cameras. So it is very, this power actually is influencing a lot, not only your behavior online, but also offline. Finally, this power means that a company has the possibility to acquire knowledge about the population. At a higher level, we can know what society is doing, what a group of persons is doing if we collect enough data. So companies like Google have the combination of this. They are leading the technological state of the art because they have a lot of data, but also the techniques to process it and to extract knowledge from it. The first lever is exactly that, extracting raw data that can be used for producing knowledge. And then the second lever is converting desires that we infer from this raw data about users to convert it into actions, into real actions in real life, in offline world. This means that as soon as we understand a person's behavior online, we can guide this person to buy a new phone or watch new movies that are paid online. Then we have the third lever here, is structuring what actually the company can know about a person. This means that a company like Google is going to define which type of data is going to be collected about a person and who is going to have access to it. For example, we have Uber that uses Google Maps to capture geolocation. But who developed the technology to capture geolocation and the SDK that Uber is integrating is Google. This way, the knowledge that can be produced is already structured in advance by Google. And finally, the fourth lever is orchestrating. Orchestrating the data exchanges, the data flows between companies, between users. Who has access to what? Which means that the most powerful companies are filtering, are guiding in the data economy who has access to knowledge and who can influence behavior in a large scale.